The first thing I'd like you to do is just to get into a really comfy position, sitting down, legs uncrossed, feet flat on the floor, and if possible with your back in an upright position, making sure that it's supported and that you're comfortable. And if it's easier, close your eyes, or if you would prefer, just looking at a neutral gazing spot in front of you. And then bring your awareness to your breath, the movement of the air into and out of your body. Just notice how the air moves from the room through your nose into your lungs and back out from your lungs through your nose into the room again. Don't try and speed it up or slow it down. Just allow it to be whatever it needs to be in this moment in time. Just noticing the movement in and out of your body. Sometimes it helps to think of the word calm as you breathe in, breathing in the calmness, and then letting go of any stress or tension you might be holding on into. Breathing in the calm, and then letting go. Any time some thoughts try and creep on in, and bring your awareness away from your breath, just notice them and allow them to move on past. Bringing your awareness back to the movement of the breath into and out of your body. And then what we're going to do is, through your feet, just really imagine connecting to the earth below, connecting to the energy of the earth. For some of you might know the earth as Gaia, Mother Gaia, the source of all the energy and beauty in the earth and the ground. Just imagine through your feet really connecting to this loving, beautiful energy. Connecting to the energy of the plant spirits, the animal spirits, the water. Just imagine that beautiful energy really starting to connect through your feet and allow it to move up through your feet, up to your knees, moving all the way up to your hips, into your stomach and bowels, and into your heart area. And imagine in your heart area there's a beautiful shining light which represents your divine essence, your truth, your authenticity, and your unconditional love. And as you connect with the earth and the energies of the earth, just bringing that up through into your body, up through to your heart, you might notice the area in your heart and the light starting to shine brighter and glow. And then when you're ready, I'd like you to imagine connecting to the energy above you in the universe, the universal energy of unconditional love. And just working with whatever is comfortable for you in this moment, whether it's just imagining that unconditional love from the universe, whether it's connecting to the stars and the moon and the sun and all the planets above. If you're used to working with your higher self, imagine connecting to that energy as well. Your own personal teams of guides, spirits and angels, your helpers. If you have a particular faith, whether it's God, Buddha, Muhammad, whoever, just perhaps connecting to the energy of them. Just connect with whatever is comfortable to you. Don't try and force anything. Just work with the authenticity of your own self. And just imagine from the universe all this beautiful love and light starting to connect through the top of your head, filtering through your head, through your face, flowing gently down through your neck, down through your arms, down your spine and again into the heart area. And the heart area is where we unite the energies from the earth below with the energies from the universe above. And just notice as they connect and merge, and that divine spark within your heart glowing and shining. And we know the heart physical structure is the place where the blood is pumped around the body. So just, if you can, imagine the light that you have brought into your body from the earth below and the universe above to fill every single cell in your heart and allow it to be pumped around your body, filling every cell in your body full of this beautiful love and light. Just allow that movement to flow around, filling your whole entire body full of unconditional love and light. And then just imagine that this light can stay within you for as long as you want. Anytime you feel you need a top up, you can just connect to the energies of the earth below and the energies from the universe above, bringing them into your heart area and pumping them around your body. And this is a lovely time to set your intention for what you'd like to achieve either today or in the near future. Setting positive affirmations. I'm grateful and thankful for the divine love inside of me. I'm grateful and thankful that all my emotional, physical, spiritual needs are met. I'm grateful and thankful for love and joy in my life. Or any other affirmation that works for you. Try to keep the affirmation as open as possible without linking it to a certain situation or a certain person. And just trust that the universe will manifest the affirmation in the best way for you. And then in your own time, thanking the energies from the earth below, the energies from the universe above, keeping that beautiful unconditional love flowing around your body. Very gently start wiggling your fingers and wiggling your toes. Bring your awareness back to the movement of the breath into and out of your body. And in your own time, when you're ready, if you've had your eyes closed, gently start opening up your eyes, coming back into the room. Or if you've been staring at a neutral gazing spot, just very gently start looking around the room, connecting with what you can see, what you can hear, what you can feel. Notice the chair beneath you, the ground beneath your feet. And start coming back into the room fully present and aware and glowing with that beautiful unconditional love.